AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 explicitly is right now at $0.005 in a sort of significant manner. AMP fundamentally faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP records sort of descending development today, or so they by and large thought. 25 November 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for essentially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these much of the time, sort of sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is fundamentally transient cost expectation for AMP. For the most part is AMP a truly wise interest in every practical sense, huge way. AMP support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the AMP specialized examination, basically let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583 in every practical sense, significant way. The sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at $46,102,746,854, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, which especially is very critical. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value lessening of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which especially is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, or so they truly thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP in every practical sense, is somewhere around 0.1 and as of now exchanging at 62 cents, which fundamentally is very huge. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally is very critical. These occasions explicitly show that the market especially is going in an extremely descending heading for most certainly present moment, so the especially complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $46,102,746,854 in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, a by and large broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a kind of significant manner. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction for the most part are significant specialized pointers used to recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting how which basically brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in a significant manner. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers really become commonly more exceptionally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers truly become move sort of dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the beyond 24 hours, and truly has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which explicitly shows that similarly. Obstruction especially is a level at which merchants certainly become move genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while extremely absolute market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, which really is genuinely critical. There in every way that really matters are practically 42,227,702,186 truly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP Value Investigation AMP Cost Examination for 25 November 2023, inside an everyday time span, certainly made sense of beneath, all things considered, further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which most certainly is very huge. We utilize certainly relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and outstanding moving especially normal, EMA, to truly dissect the future development of the AMP. Further appearance how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market certainly is going in an especially descending heading for pretty present moment, so the in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $46,102,746,854, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While AMP's Williams %R marker especially is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange, extremely signaled by and large, is really conceivable at this reach, which generally shows that similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers basically become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, which basically shows that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. AMP financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the especially everyday graph, exhibiting how the MACD line by and large is remaining underneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid, which generally shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The main help level for AMP truly is at $0.005, while the essentially second one generally is at $0.004, showing how AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized pointers used to truly recognize kind of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. Exhibiting how which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, which certainly is genuinely critical. While taking about opposition, the AMP explicitly has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 separately, exhibiting that we utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving certainly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the AMP, especially further appearance